In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Drive folder for a group. Google Drive is a fantastic tool for collaboration, offering a seamless way to share documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and more with others. Whether you're working on a team project, planning an event, or just want to share resources with friends or colleagues, creating a shared folder can make communication and collaboration so much easier. First, you'll want to go to your Google Drive. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to sign in using your Google account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see all your files and folders. If you're in the main Google Drive view, you're in the right place to create a new folder. Look to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a colorful plus icon next to the word New at the top. Click on that, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Folder. This will prompt a small window to pop up in the middle of your screen, asking you to name the new folder. Give your folder a clear, descriptive name, especially if you're going to be sharing it with a group. This makes it easy for everyone to know the purpose of the folder at a glance. After you've named your folder, you'll see it appear in your list of files and folders. Now, to share this folder with your group, you'll want to right-click on it. In the menu that appears, select Share. A new dialog box will pop up, allowing you to add the email addresses of those you want to share the folder with. You can enter multiple email addresses, separating them by commas. As you enter these addresses, suggestions might pop up based on your contact list to make the process even smoother. Below the email input, there are options to specify the level of access you want to grant. For example, you can decide if others can just view the documents or if they can also comment and edit. These permissions are crucial when working in a group, as they ensure your files are secure while allowing the right level of collaboration. Once you've entered the email addresses and set permissions, click the Send button. Your group members will receive an email invitation to collaborate, and there you have it. You've now successfully created and shared a Google Drive folder for your group. This will make collaboration and file sharing much more organized and efficient. If you ever need to adjust permissions or add new members, you can easily revisit the share settings at any time. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy collaborating!